Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone. Now today it's going to be a little technical. We're going to get into Bullion search, and I'm going to show you 3 different forms of Bullion searches. To do that, let's dive right in. In front of me, I have opened the EGW Writings 2 app, and I'm going to tap on Search. Now, the first one is what you use all the time. The first Boolean is and that's the default search that we have here. So I'm going to type for faith and then hope. So if I have faith and hope, in the middle, I don't have to add the word and, because in our search syntax, it's assumed that there's an and in between. So I'm going to be looking for both faith and hope. And that's a standard search. So you can see here that I have hope, I have faith, faith, faith. We're going to see faith and hope, hope, faith. So in a sentence, we should be able to be finding faith and hope. So if I open up a result, yep, I have faith and hope. If I tap next search, I should have faith, faith, hope. Yes, I do there. If I tap the next one, yes, I have faith and hope. So the second in our series of Boolean searches is the or symbol. So I want to look for faith or the word hope. Not the two of them together, but one or the other. So to do that, I need to come in here and I type in faith and then a space and then tap the number and then the symbol here and tap this key right here, which is the vertical slash. So I tap that and then another space and then I type in the word hope. So I'm going to look for faith or hope. Now, within the book of Acts of the Apostles, I have 326 times that I either have faith or hope. So if I click on this one here, result 2, I should have faith. In the next result, you can see I have hope. In the next result, I have faith. But I do not have to have both. See, it's either faith or hope. Now, the third in our series is the not. So I have faith, but not hope. So I should not see any results for hope show up. So I'm just going to tap into here, and I'm going to replace the vertical slash for an exclamation mark, because the exclamation mark is the symbol for not. So I'm looking for only faith and not hope, not faith or hope. So if I click search here, I now have 228 results, and all I should see here is faith. Okay, so you can see, yes, I have faith all the way down. Now, if I wanted to look for hope and not faith within the sentence, then I would put hope first, and then I would put in my little exclamation mark, and then I would type faith, and then search, and this time I see hope, but not faith. Okay, so there are my 3 forms of Boolean searches: the and then the or, and then the not. So what for and, remember, all you did is you just put in 2 words. For the or, I put in the vertical slash for the faith or the hope, and then the not search syntax key was the exclamation mark. So faith, exclamation mark, or hope, and then it will find the first word. So that's the Boolean operators that we have learned how to use within the EGW Writings 2 app. I hope this little tech tip has helped you. Have a nice day, and may you always go with God, and He will continue to walk with you. Bye for now.